Clutch free play. Remove driver side floor carpet. Measure the height from floor to lowest point of clutch pedal. Loosen clutch switch mounting nut for increasing pedal height. Tighten the switch for decreasing pedal height. Check the pedal height. Tighten the switch mounting nut. Connect the electrical connection. Press the pedal. Measure pedal height from the floor. Loosen clutch pedal stopper nut. Loosen bolt for decreasing pedal height. Tighten the bolt for increasing the pedal height. Check the pedal height. Tighten stopper mounting nut. Press the clutch pedal until pedal load is felt. Measure the distance at transmission end. Loosen or tighten the nut as required. Check the pedal height again.